Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Rangba kejela ukanut ke sangma haba jubab halor ke jingterwa ke channel C yo ba prestun haba yede ke Ïakren Ïasuk ulo ong ba uklem yo kanu ke jingte halor kanie handai Ïakren shai ba ke Jingkhang ke Plie yaki ban perkhat bha ban wan shakami jong ke Ïakren ula ban rap dak ba ong ba kidon ki kindon ki ba ka MHA ke bu bat ya kani labut da baro long ba anam la banyat laj na kita ki kendon ki ba ka MHA ka bu ula ben rap ru da ka ba ong ba Lada Sdang ye ka Ïakren kanam poi Shano ru.
I have not seen it officially, so I don't think I'll be able to comment without seeing the official writing. So, but I reiterate that we are open and we would ask them to reconsider their stand. We also want long-term peace, and so that we would reiterate that they should come to the talks again. But as I said, regarding their talks or their invitation or whatever you've called, I have not seen anything in writing, so it would not be appropriate for me to comment on that.
But the stand of the government, conditional or unconditional talk?
We have maintained again and again that there are certain provisions and guidelines which the MHA has prescribed, which is being followed for all organizations with which Government of India is in talks with. So it will be followed on basis of those guidelines. We cannot deviate from that because that is what is being prescribed for all the talks. And hence, if they start changing that for one or two organizations, then they will change it for all. So within the prescribed norms of MHA, we are ready to talk on whatever line.
In the past, has government ever done away with cases or dropped the cases with any kind of...
So as I said, case-to-case basis, the decisions have been made. That has been done in the past also. But as I said, whether it will be done in the future or not, it will depend on case-to-case basis. But if we don't start the process, then we'll never reach to that point.